Neil Trevor Broom, born November 20, 1983, is a New Zealand international cricketer. His other major teams include Otago Volts, Derbyshire County Cricket Club and Canterbury, from 2002 to 2005. After debut in 2009, Broom was called into the squad in 2017, after a successful domestic season. His ODI comeback was strong, where he scored back-to-back knocks of 109 and 97 respectively against a top-notch Bangladeshi bowling attack. Neil plays for North East Valley Cricket Club in the Dunedin Cricket Leagues. Broom signed a 2-year deal with English domestic side Derbyshire County Cricket Club in August 2015. In June 2018, he was awarded a contract with Otago for the 2018-19 season. In June 2020, he was offered a contract by Otago ahead of the 2020-21 domestic cricket season. Broom was selected in the New Zealand squad for the one-day international series against the West Indies in 2008/09. He made his debut in the fourth match at Auckland. Broom's specialty is hitting the ball over the infield. He also has been selected in the Chappell Headley Trophy to play Australia in February 2009. During the first ODI in the series, he was wrongly given out, bowled by Michael Clarke, when video replays clearly showed that the wicket-keeper Brad Haddin had clipped the bails with his gloves. In December 2016, Broom was named for the ODI series against Bangladesh after Ross Taylor was not past fit after recovering from an eye surgery. At the time of his selection to the ODI series against Bangladesh, Broom already held a British passport, so he must terminate his contract with Derbyshire in order to play for New Zealand again. Broom scored his maiden ODI century against Bangladesh during the second ODI of same series, where he along with Kane Williamson put on a solitary partnership of 176 for the second wicket, which is also the record second wicket partnership for New Zealand in ODIs, and followed this up with 97 in the third ODI. Following the ODI series against Bangladesh, he was added to New Zealand's 2020 International T20I squad, after Martin Guttel was ruled out due to injury. In March 2017, he was included in New Zealand's Test squad against South Africa as a replacement for injured Ross Taylor. He made his Test debut for New Zealand against South Africa on March 16, 2017.